Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all are great and fine and enjoying your summers. Today I am going to start the next video of my series, that is phrase. I have told you about clauses and its types in my previous video. So my dear students and my YouTube family, I hope you will also enjoy this. If you have not watched my clauses video, you must watch those two videos. Those videos are most important for your English language and literature, as well as your spoken, and for newcomers that are learning creative writing. So my dear students, I am going to start my today's lecture. Without wasting my time, if I request you, just like my video, subscribe my channel and share with your fellows. And I have also uploaded all the basic to advanced English grammar in my YouTube channel. That is, I have given link below in the description section, and also in I button above. You must have to click that button and also get advantage for it. So dear students, phrases in English is a group of words that does have a subject-verb agreement. Okay, you can also say combination of subject and verb. And since it does not have the subject-verb combination, it does not stand on its own and give a complete meaning. It is just a part of a sentence or a clause. My dear students, I have told you before that clause is a complete sentence, that it is a meaningful sentence. It conveys its own meaning. But what is phrase? Phrase is only a group of words. There is no any subject-verb agreement or subject-verb combination in any phrase. You can say phrase is a meaningless sentence, meaningless group of words, and it cannot convey its complete meaning without joining any clause or sentence. So my dear students, I am going to tell you what are the types of phrases and also their examples. I hope you have understand what is phrase. So coming towards the types of phrases, here are 10 types of phrases. Noun phrase, number 2 is verb phrase, number 3 is adjective phrase, number 4 is adverb phrase, number 5 is prepositional phrase, and number 6 is gerund phrase, number 7 is infinitive phrase, number 8 is appositive phrase, number 9 is participle phrase, and number 10 is absolute phrase. So my dear students, here are some examples of all these types of phrases. Carefully listen about them. Number 1 example is about the noun phrase. I love your house. Your is pronoun which is used on the behalf of a noun, and house is itself is a noun. Here is the combination of two nouns, as noun phrase is always stand like a head word, that is the noun. Okay, if in a sentence head word is a noun, that phrase is called a noun phrase. And the next example is it is very beautiful. It is an adjective phrase in a blue highlighted color. Very is qualifying beautiful, because beautiful is a quality of any noun, and very is modifying that beauty. So it is an adjective phrase. Number 3 is I have saved some food in my car. Here is a verb phrase in blue color. Have is a verb. Okay, it is a helping verb, but we can say that it is a linking verb. Have is linking I and some, helping verb and verb. And in my car is prepositional phrase. In is a preposition, that is the head word of rest of the phrase, so we would say prepositional phrase. In the next example, you performed amazingly well. Amazingly well. amazingly is qualifying and defining the performance, and well is also qualifying amazingly, that it is justifying that you performed amazingly well. So that it is adverb phrase. The next example is Mangesh, a writer, is joining our firm. It is a positive phrase. Mangesh is defined by a writer. Mangesh is joining our firm, but a writer is a positive phrase. The next example is working with him changed my life. Working is a gerund. Okay, I would also upload the video regarding gerund. What is gerund? I would upload, God willing, detailed video about gerund and participle. What is the difference between gerund and participle? I would tell you over there. Short, I would say that gerund is a word that shows like a present participle, but it works like a noun in a sentence. So here working word is showing us that it is a verb, but in this sentence working is used as a noun. Working with him changed my life. The next example is I want to help you. To help, it is an infinitive phrase. Okay, to help, first form of verb by joining before to is an infinitive word, and then if infinitive is a head word of a phrase, then it would be infinitive phrase. A gun in his hand. He came running towards me. It is an absolute phrase. Okay, a gun in his hand. The next is fired from the job. We decided to start a company. Fired is past participle, that is the third form of verb, and it is working as a noun. Over there it would be past participle phrase, fired from the job. So my dear students, next example, that is the last one. The people living with me are absolutely crazy. The people living with me. Living with me is a present participle, living, and living is a head word with me, so it is a phrase. Then we will say present participle phrase. I hope, my dear students, you have got all your lesson. If you have any query about phrase and clause, you can ask me in the comment section. I would also be available for you to comment below your comment, and I will answer you if you have any query. And must visit my community section, that is also very productive. My dear friends, I hope you have liked my video. If you like it, and you have shared with your friends if you have any friend. So subscribe for more updates, and I am ending my lesson over there. Take care.